Hey guys, it's Katie, and it feels kind of weird to be back in the studio. I don't feel like we've done a workout in here in a hot minute, so I'm really excited. Today we're gonna do a 5-minute booty lifting, toning, sculpting workout, just 5 minutes. This one's really nice because you can do it with zero equipment. I'm gonna actually use the LSF booty band, just a light one though, because we ran 8 miles yesterday for our half marathon training and my butt is so sore. Plus we're in week 3 of the booty challenge. And literally like every day it's been getting harder and harder. So as part of this workout, I'm also gonna show you some of my favorite booty foam rolling exercise techniques that are great not only to help reduce soreness, but then also reduce cellulite. So if you haven't seen my ways I reduce cellulite, go watch that video after this. But this is really gonna be helpful too. So if you're ready to work that booty, sweat the thumbs up and let's go ahead and grab the booty band and get started down on the mat. All right, and I just realized if you guys have not yet signed up for the booty challenge, even though we're starting our 3rd week, you can still sign up anytime, get the printable calendars, all of the booty moves. It's a 31-day challenge. So I'll put that link down below. And you can get 20% off the 3-pack of booty bands, which are already only like $10. So 20% off is a really good deal. So I'll put the code and link below for that as well. I'm gonna take my booty band and come onto my side body. Again, you can do this without for level 1. You can level up with a light booty band or get like real cray with a heavy if you're feeling it. So on this one, we're gonna do a clam with a hip lift. So you're gonna open in that clam and then lift your hips, lower and close. Open, lift, down, close. Good. Up and lower. We're just spending about a minute in each move. Good. So when we have these single side ones, we're only gonna spend about 45 seconds and switch, so just over a minute total. Good, up, lift. You feel that little burn and squeeze? Woo, already on that side hip, the side of the booty. Let's do 2 more here. Last one on this side. Lift and let it go, switch it over. This is just a great way to really hit every angle of that butt. Those saddlebags on the side. And you can do this first thing in the morning to help activate your glutes. You can do it at night before bed, or because it's only 5 minutes, you can repeat it a couple of times and get like a killer booty burn. And these are some of the moves you're gonna find if you guys are doing the Love Sweat Fitness, the app workouts, in that like beginner, intermediate level. Good. Up. Let's do 2 more. Last one, and let it go. I mean, I don't know if it's just because I ran so far yesterday, but whew, feeling it so much. All right, so I'm gonna come onto my forearms, not my forearms, onto my hands and my knees here, and we're gonna do a little curtsy and then kick it back and up. I'm gonna curtsy and kick. So now I'm targeting more into the hamstrings and the bottom of the booty instead of the outside. Lift, good. Exhale. Draw the belly in, make sure you're really cautious. I can't talk today. Make sure you're really focused, let's just go with that, on your core, keeping it nice and tight. Lift and lower, up and down. For 4, for 3, 2 more. Last one, hold it now, pulse. 8, 7, 6, squeeze those glutes. 4, 3, 2, and 1, right into the opposite side. So find that curtsy, squeeze it tight, lift it up. We go down and up, down and up. It is amazing what a light booty band can add on here. Lower, squeeze, lift. I love this too because you'll get your heart rate up a little bit without having like some crazy cardio move. And that is really true anytime you're working your lower body. You're working your largest muscle groups. So your heart rate's gonna accelerate a little bit there. You're gonna be burning more calories, fixing your posture by strengthening those glutes, and starting to strengthen, protect your low back. Good, 4, for 3, last 2, hold up and pulse. Higher, squeeze, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, sit back for a moment, stretch it out. We're gonna come onto our back, lying all the way down. From here, you're gonna lift your hips high, squeeze at the bottom of the booty, then lift your heels and open your knees. Close and lower everything down. Up, out, in, down. Good. Up, out, in, down. So you're gonna feel it again at the bottom of those glutes. Now instead of just one side at a time, we're gonna be working them at the same time, but then adding on the abductor. So again, coming back to the outside of those legs and the booty. Lift up, out, in, down. Can you get a little higher? Squeeze a little tighter. Lift, push it out. And as you come in with those knees, do it with resistance. Don't let that band especially just like swing them back together if you're using a band. But even if you're not, really slow it down. Imagine you're moving through mud, out, in, down. You have 4. For 3, good. Last 2, out, in, hold it up on 1. Now just push out, out, good. 8, 7, 6, higher, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, let it go, shake out those legs. All right, our last move, we're gonna come onto our knees. I want you to stay super low. Your core is super tight and engaged. Shoulders back and down, nice tall posture. You're gonna stay low. Bring your front foot, right foot out in front, then the left, then down, down. We go up, up, down, down, good. A little squat get up here, but stay low when you get up. Good. This is a great one to do too, like when you're watching TV, you're just kind of hanging out, you want to do something, but you don't feel like a full out workout. Nice, you feel very productive at the end of it because your legs are like, whoo. Good, squeeze, working all those glute muscles here. Up, nice and low for 4, 3, 2, last one. Up, up, and exhale, let it go all the way out, shake it out. All right, so if you just finished this workout, if you're doing the LSF Booty Challenge, if you're doing the LSF app workouts and getting those leg and booty workouts in, you are probably very sore in this lower area. So foam roller is gonna be your best friend. I like ones that have little ridges in this. If you guys have foam rollers or like things that you love about a foam roller, comment below because maybe I'll make one. But this one has these little ridges in it. It's really, really awesome to help just relax the muscles. Obviously, like get deep in that tissue, help break everything up so that you can actually like recover from your workouts. But it also is really great to reduce cellulite, which is awesome. So again, go check out that video after this. But like, this is where I like to live on my foam roller, right into those glutes. So kind of slightly turn to the side. I'm not fully on my side and I'm not fully turned around, like right in that sweet spot in the middle. And you wanna roll up and down, kind of going from the top all the way down to the bottom of the booty, top of the thigh. And you're gonna feel these little like bumps along the way. Those aren't your cellulite bumps. Those are the little knots in your muscles. And you wanna take time to really roll those out. So when you feel them, like I feel one right now, you're gonna kind of move side to side. And it's like a hurt so good, where you're like, oh, like almost wanna jump off the foam roller, but you know you need it. Stay there, play with it for a little while, move around. And then when you start to feel it kind of relax, then keep rolling, like full rolls up and down. To get into the cellulite, if you have it on the side of the thigh, you're just gonna bring that foam roller down, extend the leg long, and roll up and down. You can turn more onto the side, really targeting wherever you know you see kind of those little dimples, and spend some time just rolling up and down the leg. This is great too because it hits your IT band, which is also working in those booty workouts. And oh boy, it really needs it bad. So I like to hit the side of the thigh right along that IT band, spend some time where I personally notice the little dimples happening right here. So just rolling back and forth, and then again, on those glutes, spending time rolling side to side, getting that deep massage, and then up and down. So I would recommend spending at least a minute on each area so that you really are able to relax the muscle. It's gonna help with your recovery post-workout, and again, reduce that cellulite. All right, guys, it was so much fun being back working out with you here on YouTube. Don't forget, you can grab the 3-pack of these cute booty bands, 20% off. I'll put the code down below for you. And if you're not already following on Instagram, go follow at Love Sweat Fitness. This Wednesday, I'm gonna be doing live on Instagram, giving you guys a sneak peek of the LSF 2020 planner, which is so cute. You don't wanna miss it. So make sure you're following over there to get all the details, and I'll see you guys back here next Monday. Don't forget, good things come to those who sweat. Bye.
You make me feel so good.